During the interview, guys, show them your positive aura. Okay. Hi guys, this is Teacher Jessa and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video guys is I will discuss about what is the hiring process. Alright? So yun yung mga tanong nyo sa akin itong mga nakaraang linggo dun sa aking previous video na actual interview and demo lesson in ABC360. So ayun na nga guys, nakapasa ako sa ABC360. So there. On this vlog, I'm going to share you the hiring process at ABC360. So first, you need to make an account and register at ABC360. So paano ko ba nahanap yung site nila? I'm just browsing in a particular group in Facebook, and then I just clicked the link that she shared. Hindi ko na siya matandaan kung sino siya, kung sino ka man. Thank you so much. So para mas madali niyo siyang makita guys, I'll just gonna put it in my description box and in my comment box below. Alright, so that's it guys. Just click the link and you will be routed to this. So this is the first step of the hiring process here at ABC360. So there, just fill up those things. After you register guys is ma-open nyo na yung account nyo and just fill up all the information needed and then just click submit. After providing all your information in your account at ABC360, you just wait for their email or just wait for them to contact you via email, okay? And after you receive that email, you can now schedule your interview and demo lesson. So that is the part 2, the interview and the demo lesson. So after 2 days, guys, I was able to schedule my interview at ABC360. So I hope you already watched my video about my actual interview and demo lesson at ABC360 so that you have an idea. So those are those. Yung material nga pala dun guys, dun sa demo lesson is ibibigay nila yon once na-receive nyo yung email na pwede na kayong magpa-interview or mag-demo. Okay? So you have a lot of time to review your demo materials. So there. By the way, before we proceed to the next step, I just want to give you some tips during your interview and your demo lesson. During the interview guys, show them your positive aura. Okay, so you must be friendly, energetic, always keep smiling. So that's the most important. And then do not show them that you feel nervous. Yan. So those are the things. So in the demo lesson naman guys, itong background ko guys, ito yung ginawa ko to impress them. Okay. So, hindi na ito ka-impress kasi sobrang simple lang nito. But then again, guys, they want you to be creative. So, gumawa kayo ng background. Okay? It's not required, but having a good and colorful background is a plus. Okay? During the interview, sinabi niya sa akin yung mga good points ko. So, isa to sa good points para sa kanya. So, yun. So, the third step, guys, is after kang ma-interview, you will just wait for another email as a confirmation na nakabasa ka sa ABC360. Hindi ka naka-receive ng email, hindi ibig sabihin daw nun, hindi ka nakapasa. Ganon. Yun yung naintindihan ko nun. So, correct me if I'm wrong, teachers. So, yun yung naintindihan ko. Kasi sabi lang niya sa akin, since Friday ako nag-demo, the following days is weekend. So, wala silang office nun. So, na-receive ko yung email nila is Monday pa. But then, during the interview is, they set an expectation na ma-receive ko yung email nila by Monday. So, ayun. So, na-receive ko yung email nila and saying that I passed the interview and I am now part of ABC360. So, after that, umuulan dito sa amin. Sorry. So, yun. After that, once you receive that email or a confirmation that you already passed at ABC360, you will be endorsed to your coach. Okay? So, there's ka ni facilitator or ni interviewer sa coach mo. And there, dun ka na mag-start ng training. Tapos, ipapadownload na sa'yo yung mga applications ni ABC360 in conducting the lessons. So, those are those. Okay? So, meron lang mga pinapafill upan si coach ng mga forms like bank information form, ID form, and educational background form. So, ayun lang guys. Okay, so sa training naman guys is mag-watch ka lang ng videos and then may mga after watching the video, may sasagutan kang assessment. So, okay lang na magkamali ka kahit paulit-ulit. Okay? So, pwede mo siyang maitama kahit paulit-ulit yung pagkakamali. Basta ganun. Then, after you finish the training, you can teach already. So, those are the things, guys. And if you have questions, you have your facilitator to contact to, you have your coach to contact to, hindi ka naman nila mapabayaan kasi lagi naman silang mag-reply sa inyo. So, regarding sa schedule, guys, this is a semi-fixed, ano ba? Hindi ko alam yung term doon, pero fixed schedule siya, pero hindi ganun pa-fix. Ano ba yun?
Stop it. Get some help.
So yun, kasi meron lang silang nire-record na time na dapat is nakasalang ka doon. Okay? Nire-record na time na dapat nagtuturo ka, okay? You can choose either 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. or 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. So yun. Ganun lang. So ang pinili ko is 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. So there, you are required to teach at least, I think, 20 hours per week. So that's the requirement. So since guys, you have a fixed schedule of 6 to 9 p.m., you can still open the slots as long as you can. Say for example, gusto mo mag-open ng 1 p.m., 2 p.m., 3 p.m. So yun, pwede mo siyang i-open. But then again, hindi ka pwedeng mag-close ng slots from 6 to 9 p.m. or 5 to 9 p.m. kung ano man yung pinili mo sa dalawa dahil yun yung nire-require nila. Okay, na-gets mo ba? So, ayun guys. So, kaya sabi ko parang semi-fixed schedule. Yun. So, ayun guys. As of now, nasa training pa lang ako. So, hindi ko pa siya matapos. Tapos guys, because I have a lot of things to do. Basta update ko na lang kayo guys kung ano nangyayari dito sa ABC360. And then, there. So, sa mga nagtatanong kung wala na ba akong sa native camp, nasa native camp pa rin po ako, pinagsasabay ko lang sa inyo. So, yun guys, and thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, I hope you consider subscribing on my channel, please. Okay, so that you will be updated on my future videos. Goodbye!